If you own a 2020 or newer Can-am Spyder RT that did not come equipped with an LED auxiliary light in this location here, but you wish that it had, then you'll be happy to know that we now offer a plug-and-play LED light that installs in minutes by using the factory wiring. The light is constructed from high-quality ABS that features a clear lens and has an IP67 waterproof rating. Once installed, you'll get an immediate increase in visibility of the road ahead, while also increasing your likeliness of being seen by oncoming motorists. Without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation on our Shop 2020 Spyder RT.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Use a T15 Torx wrench to remove the 2 factory screws holding in the plastic cover plate. These screws will not be reused. Once the cover is removed, unclip and remove the factory power connector that's plugged into the back side of it. Grab your new LED auxiliary light and plug it into the connector coming from the bike. Tuck in your wiring and use the new hardware included with the kit, along with a Phillips head screwdriver to securely mount the light into place, making sure not to over-tighten. Once installed, make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area and start your engine to ensure that the LED illuminates.
Now, if you want to add an LED auxiliary light to your Spyder RT, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. If you're enjoying this content, feel free to give us a like and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Spyder RT. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.